evening. I've got to warn you before I start that some of my dry skin jokes can be a bit sensitive. My mobile phone jokes might get a bad reception. Yeah, I don't know about you lot, some of you might have come here with transport. I came by tube actually. In fact, Joe has been doing my cats. It's a pool service. A pool service. Yeah, I've got a couple of dementia jokes, but I've forgotten them. Yeah, with dementia, it's not about what you know, it's about what you knew. I'll tell you what I'm tired of. Sleeping pills. So I saw this parking attendant putting a notice on my car. I ran into him and said, "What are you doing this for?" You know, he said, "I'm giving you a ticket." I said, "Fine." He said, "Yes." So I went to my local car mechanics repair centre, and I said to the guy, "Can you fix my suspension?" He said, "Lower." I said, "Can you fix my suspension?" Man, you're in there. Get the taxi, please. Do you want to see a picture of my grandma's pussy?
Yeah.
There we go.
Really, you're ready?
We're in.
She's a beauty. Grandma's quite nice too.
Yeah, she's still got her own hair. In that picture, anyway. Yeah, airport terminal cafes. They've never taken off. And I'll tell you what I'm sick of. Vomiting. Back to start. What about funerals? I don't do coffin-related jokes, because that's a grave area. I've always found that being a plumber was quite draining. Cells of slate, they're going through the roof. The big electronics company from America, Apple, have recently launched their biggest selling product in Ireland. They've called it the iPaddy. So I said to Scottish comedian Billy Connolly, I said to him, "Do you have trouble with vowels when you were younger?" He said, "Oh, aye." I'm going to do a four-word joke. Rubber band factory expands. Oh look, I've managed to make ends meet. There we go. My friend said to me, "I can say the letter R better than any of you can." I said, "Stop being so arrogant." You bastard. Yes, this bloke said to me, "What's the world's biggest spider?" I said, "Why didn't you look on the web?" Last one from my good stuff. We, enjoy the comedians. Did you know my grandmother invented the first ever biro? So technically the mix by dad is son of a bick. Have a good evening.
Well done, there are a bunch of one-liners, Good, alright, let's move on to the next section. Those people say.